Oh, I saw your question here. I guess this is section 1.5. Which one? This was number 13. So section 1.5, number 13. It's a projectile problem. Guess they have a video you can watch. An astronaut on the moon throws a baseball upward. So the gravity is going to be a little different on the moon. It tells you the height of them and gives you all this info, which is okay. But what you really need is the equation. This info comes, that 50 feet comes from the initial velocity, and this 6.5 feet tall. So they give you the equation where the info's over here, where t is in seconds after the ball's thrown. So here's the equation we need. T's time, and s is the height of the ball. After how many seconds will the ball be 20 feet above the moon's surface? So here's the equation. You want to put in 20 into it, and then you want to solve for time. So I subtract 20 from each side, and I obtain this equation. I don't like for a to be negative, so I divide everything by -1. And so that gives me a 0 equal positive 2.7 t squared. This becomes a minus 50t and a plus 13.5. So then you got to solve this. I'd read previous sections on quadratic formula among other things. So A would be 2.7, B is -50, and C is 13.5. So here I try to write out the quadratic formula, and so you put in B here and here, which is -50. So it's minus B. So this actually only minus a -50. It's going to come out positive, plus or minus. You got to square the quantity -50 minus 4 times A, which is 2.7, times C, which is 13.5, all over 2A. I've kind of run out of room, but you want to complete this, and you don't have to put this into your calculator. And I guess we can see the answers come out to 18.24 and 0.27 if you put this in the calculator. Part B says, next part, how long will it take to hit the ground? So instead of having a 20 here, you need to come back and replace this. For part B, you need to put in 0 for it. So you just rework this. You just put a 0 here. You wouldn't have to subtract 20 from each side. Now still go ahead and divide by negative here, and then use quadratic formula on again and see what you come up with. Hope this helps.